Hey everybody! Are you ready to play the memory game? Yay! Okay. Do you know which two cards have yellow birds on them? That one. Woohoo! You found one. Now where's the other matching yellow bird? Is it this one? That's it! You found the two yellow birds. Next, you have to find the two pink flowers. Do you see one? There. All right, you found one. Now where's the other pink flower? Is it this one? Yes, you found the two pink flowers. Yes, you have to find the two blue apples. Do you see one? There. Woohoo, you found one. Now where's the other matching blue apple? This one? Yes, you found the two blue apples. Your memory is amazing. Now it's time for Wow Wow Wubsy.